Hello, we have this capsule cutter today. This one has power issue, it's not working. Let's see what we can do. This is the main body. It has the motor and all the electronic system. So at first we will see is it working or not. You see, here is the switch. It's not working at all. So we will open this now and see what's the problem. Inside this unit it has a motor, and here at the outside it has this cable and it has a switch. So we don't know where is the problem. Maybe the cable is faulty, motor can be, and the switch can be faulty too. At first I will check the cable with my multimeter in continuity mode. One cable is directly connected to this terminal. This terminal is connected via this switch. So at first I am trying to see that this connection is okay or not. So, okay, this one is connected with this terminal, and we will see this one should connect with this. No, it's not working. I have to open this switch and see what's the problem. So first check the cable. The cable is okay. Here from input of the switch connected, and now we have to see is the switch okay or not. What the heck? Oh, it is working. Okay, put it in its position again and see is it working or not. Put it here, try it again. When I put this switch in here, the switch is not working, and I don't know why. Oh, now it's working. This is really strange. What's the problem? The switch is okay, but this cable is not. I don't know what's the problem in here. What's the problem? You see here, this terminal here to here is not working. Why? And you see here is a strange thing. You see this terminal is actually not directly connected to the switch. Actually it is something different that I don't understand. Maybe the motor is faulty. Maybe this coil is bad because the coil is connected to this cable in series mode, so the current cannot pass through this cable if this coil is faulty. And we see here is the problem. Look like this, it's not connected at all. 20k, nothing, totally disconnected. Okay, I have to cut this cable tie and see what actually happening in here. Okay, here's the actual problem. You see this cable is connected here, but this cable, you see the coil is broken. This is the other part of this coil. So here is the problem. This is very bad. I don't know if I can fix it or not, but I will try my best. I think I have to make a solder joint in here, but of course it will work. But the question is how long it will be okay. When the motor runs, the coil must be get some heat. And okay, let's see what we can do. At first, this type of cable has some insulation. We have to remove that insulation layer, and then I will try to solder it together. But I am telling you one thing, this is dangerous because this type of device work with high voltage. If you are not expert and if you don't know what are you doing, then it could be very dangerous for you. Don't try this at home. Okay, insulation gone. Now it's time to solder. I'll try to do this job with my little portable soldering iron. No, I think this iron is not enough for this soldering, and so now I'll try 60-watt soldering iron. Maybe it will work now. Soldering iron is getting hot, still not ready for work. What's the problem? Why it's not joining together? Why? Yes, finally I can join this. And now this joint is okay. And now I have to tie this cable. Here is the cable tie. Now we are going to secure this cable with the cable tie. Okay, put the switch back in its place. Screw it again. Now check it again. That is it. Still okay. Okay, this is still working fine. So put it back together and see if it's work or not. Yes, you see, it's work. I think now it is 100% okay. You can screw it and send it back to the customer. Something is wrong, I think, because I see a cable in here. That is not a good sign. So open this again. I'm going to secure that cable too. This cable is in a wrong position. Now it's okay. Now it can go there. Now it's okay, and there is no cable here. We can screw it now. It has 3 screws. Screw them all. Okay, our today's mission is successful. We fixed this capsule cutter today. Actually, it is a cheap food processor thing. Here is its blade. It has blade like this, and it is 2-part 4 blade. You can use 1 blade at a time, or you can use 2. Put this blade in here, this cover, that motor. Press this thing, motor will be done. Like this. Okay, thank you for your time. Thank you for watching.